What is up guys? Today we stay at home to do some minor maintenance on the car. I saw this guy while browsing Canadian Tire website and thought I would give it a try. It is a rust converter. Apparently it converts your rust back to paintable surfaces. A couple days ago on the trail, my slider glided through the rocks, which took off some paint and we got a little bit of rust on those bare metals. When that happened before, we used scuff pad and sandpaper to sand it down, repaint it over. But this time I want to try this guy and see how it works. My car is not the best to demonstrate this because I don't have that big pieces of rust that would need a whole bottle of treatment like that. But I would imagine the theory is the same and want her to try. So let me just clean up a bit and let's get to it. You can see here when it was done previously, it didn't sand off the surface or even out, so you can still see the rock slide on it. But yeah, we are trying on these few patches. Direction: shake well before using, apply generously, brush vigorously, allow to dry. For heavy rust, repeat application. We'll see if that one needs twice. Don't think it's too much. Rinse with fresh water and dry. If splashed on painted area, wash off immediately. Apply to cool surfaces only. These are all painted. I don't know what worse it could do to that, but okay. Let's do it. Weird. It's a brown color thing. I wouldn't imagine it to be, because I remember seeing some YouTube tutorials, it should be white, and I ordered this just off Canadian Tire curbside pickup, so I don't get to choose. You can see the bottle kind of came a bit seep off from the side already, so I don't know if it's still good. Wow, this is kind of cool. You can already see the rust going away instantly, almost. So here's the after. I am quite impressed. So that was just short of 20 minutes. We will let it rest longer and we will come back tomorrow to see how it looks and paint over it. Might as well get the Jeep done. Okay, as you can see, after a day, the rust is gone. This is just clean metal now. Even on my Jeep tailgate, this piece is gone too. And I was trying to look for all the rust spots on the bungee cord. The rust is gone as well. That's the original, where you can see all the rust forming. I have been just looking for all the rust spots on my car, and then just to try it out. This is fun. Okay, that's the first layer. I'm going to go out, get some bubble tea and come back, get a second layer done after it's dry. We are all covered up. Fresh slider. And again, I understand this is nothing really comparing to a really rusty vehicle. Maybe you're rust to the point that you're seeing holes. This method obviously wouldn't work, but if you just have a surface that has some surface rust that you want to paint over, why not give it a try?